Workflow automation is a way you can further streamline your recruitment process within eyrecruit. It requires a bit of setup, but once you have it sorted, it can make things a lot more efficient. Automation consists of triggers and actions. Certain triggers, like moving a candidate to a stage, assigning a sub-stage, disqualifying a candidate, or scheduling an interview, can cause one of two actions to occur. Either an email is sent to the candidate or a task is created on their profile. Triggers and their associated actions are called automation rules. These can be customized by going to Global Settings, Recruitment, and clicking on the Workflow Automation tab. To add a new automation rule, click on the plus icon in the top right. In the pop-up, give the rule a name and description to help you identify it. Let's create a rule that will send an email when a candidate is disqualified. For the trigger type, we'll choose Change Status. For the trigger itself, select one or more disqualification reasons. The rule will only trigger if a candidate is rejected using one of the reasons you selected. Under the Actions section, choose the type of action that is triggered from the drop-down menu. I'll choose Send an Email. In the fields that appear, select which email template you want to send. Email templates ensure that you don't have to manually type out a new email for each recipient. All candidates are sent the same email, but with certain details automatically personalized to the recipient. There is a separate video about email templates and messaging, which you can find on the eyworks Help Center. Under the Delivery Date field, choose the date you want this action performed. If you choose any option other than Same Date Immediately, you can also select what time of day you would like the email sent. I could just go ahead and create this rule now, but as you can see from this button, you are able to assign multiple actions to one trigger. Let's try this out. This time I'll choose Add a Task as the action. Here you can type in the name of the task, while in this menu you can choose which users are assigned to this task. You can either select the job's hiring team or specific users from the list. If you choose a user not already on the hiring team, then that user will be added to the team where the task is created. Unlike emails, tasks are always added to the candidate's profile immediately. You can select the due date for this task completion from this field and the time it's due in this field. To remove any of the actions you've added, click the X button. Once you are happy, click Save to create a rule. You can see here that it's active. Any rules you don't want running anymore can be deactivated using this icon. Let's try out our new automation by disqualifying a candidate. Go to a candidate's profile and click this button. You can see that parts of the system with associated automation events are marked with a lightning bolt. When you click Disqualify, a pop-up will appear showing you the workflow automation actions that have been triggered. In the email section, you can make edits to the body of the email, but you can't choose a different email template or change the delivery date. In the task section, you can edit who you want assigned to the task, but you can't edit the task name or the due date. If you don't want these automation events to occur this time, check the Skip button. But to show you what happens, I'll let the automation play out and click Submit. You can see that the task has been added to the profile here. If we check the candidate's history, we can see that the email has also been sent. I hope that's helped you get started using the workflow automation on eyrecruit. If you want more guides on the features of eyrecruit, you can find videos and articles on the Help Center.